Hi, this is Anastasia Hall, better known as Coach Ace. I want to welcome you to Ace and Rich's Freedom by Design's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be mostly about blogging. Now, I love talking about blogging, especially when it comes to writing blog posts faster. So I'm going to share today a quick tip to help you write your blog post much faster in record time without having to spend hours upon hours writing it, okay? So my strategy, what I do is I work in Pomodoros, so I block out 25-minute blocks when it comes to me writing my blog posts, and I do a specific set of tasks within those time blocks. So my first initiative is to do all my research, and I'll block out my first Pomodoro, which is 25 minutes, okay? So what I do is I use a Google Chrome extension called Pomodoro Timer, which you can get for free, and I'll put the link in the description for you to get it. And basically, I'll set this to 25 minutes and use this for my research time. This is where I'm researching and getting all my information that I need to include in my blog post. Then, once that timer is done and on, then what I'm going to do is do another timer reset for another 25 minutes, and I'm going to write out the blog post and draft everything out by pieces. Now, let's go to the screen, take a look here, and I have 4 boxes, okay? These boxes are actually notepads. So I have 4 notepads open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up the way I want to write my blog post. So I have the headline, I have the tags and keywords, I have the body of text as well written out, I have the closing, and I even have the signature call to action. Everything is written out in these pieces. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to my WordPress, like so, go to Post, Add New, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all those pieces and fill in the blanks. That's how my blog post is done. I hit publish, and then here's what it looks like as far as the finished product. Let me show you. Let's look at view. It's going to look like this, okay? That's how I'm able to write blog posts faster, because I'm able to use the notepad feature to actually break up into different pieces, so that way it's easy for me to just copy and paste and I'm done with the blog, okay? So that was today's tip on blogging faster. I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Be sure to comment below this video, smash the likes button, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a beat when we go live here on YouTube each and every day, Monday through Friday. Me and Rich bringing nothing more than value and free internet marketing training tips and all that good stuff. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Hall, better known as Coach Ace. I want to thank you for watching this video once again. Smash that likes button, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.